Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. So today I gonna do Zara Haul, and actually I purchased 34 items. So I gonna try it on everything, and then I gonna mix match like top and bottom or dress. And this is new arrival, not on sale yet, but it's gonna be on sale soon. I hope you guys like some item. And I'm gonna show you so many kinds, like casual to feminine style. This season, so there was like so many kinds of trend. You see a lot of tweed jacket, and also colorful patchwork dress, or like anything colorful print. And what else? Houndstooth blazer. Also sweater with a contrasting neckline, like Sandro, which is my favorite. So they kind of copy so many, but you cannot like really say they exactly copy the same style, but pretty much you can see the style of other fashion house. Yeah, so first one, I saw this style from Balmain, from fashion show, runway. So I'm gonna show you. So this dress, there is a belt. It's like really perfectly matching. The color is amazing. And this print, floral print. And next one, Sandro style, like contrasting neckline, contrasting vest. It has a different color combination. Black banding at the bottom, shoulder line. So black, beige, and ivory together. This is perfect with this jogger pants, typical jogger pants. Also, next item is a scarf, but I wanted to use like as a bandana for like, you know, some style, or I can use as a scarf style. So these two, satin effect, geometric print scarf. I really like the pattern. So, you know, you can put this like in every way, like this. This one also kind of a geometric print scarf. Beautiful, isn't it? So yeah, I like these two scarf. And next one is this top, ripped top, round neck with contrast like black trimming. Either I can match with any jean or this one. Striped skirt over. So I got this t-shirt to match inside with striped skirt over like this. I will show you the mode shot. So next one is a cutout dress. There's a cutout in the middle here, navy and black, perfectly matching with this kind of pocket long sleeve tee. Next one, I love this. I bought this to match with my black jogger pants. Knit color sweatshirt. It's a sweatshirt, but it has a Peter Pan color. So I can match with any like black jogger pants, even jean, maybe skirt. And next one I got as a set, but I gonna try as a set also separately with another. This is a plaid overshirt. I got this with plaid shorts. See? Yeah. So this one is my favorite. Long sleeve, long overshirt. So there's a strap in both sides. Yeah, strap. And pocket with flap, two pocket at the front with flap, side vent at hem. Next one I got as a kind of set, but I don't need to try it together. Top. So there's a one arm, as you can see, like this, one arm, and this side open. So yeah, you can show like shoulder, this side, button, this side, you can open. Cargo pants, I love this. Kind of khaki color. Next one, so this is a cape. It has a hood, very light, like this. Hidden zipper inside the snap. There's a two pocket at the front, and the back side there is one snap here. It can be windbreaker or perfect for rainy day. Also, I got 3 jeans in different lengths. First one is a full length white jean. Next one is a midi length, just like blue jean. The last one is a kind of ice blue shorts. This one I got size 2. It's a kind of a snug fit for sure, and there is a cutout at knee, row hem, mid rise. Next one is high rise. It's like 70s style. You can see it gets wider at the bottom like this. And next one is paperback style shorts. You can wear with any like a white top, blouse. I love this bending. And this one is my favorite. Textured mini dress with tweed style material. I love this color combination. Red, blue, white, black. Next one is dress. This is jacquard dress with buttons at the front. Mustard, green, dark green, like kind of ivory together. Next one is also jacquard, but this is vest. I love this orange and black color trimming. V-shaped neckline, black and white, contrast color. Next one I got as a set, homeware for me, loungewear. Hooded sweatshirt, little bit short style. With this one, I got as a set, I got this jogger. Another loungewear as a set, tie-dye sweatshirt. Yeah, I can match with like black jogger. And this one is tie-dye skirt. Next one, I like this one as well. This is, it's like, material is like white jean, and it's over shirt, white color, like oyster white. Next one is the voluminous tied dress. At the back side of neck, there's a, you can tie like this. This is back. And the front, yeah, V-shaped neckline. Next one is also dress. This is a long sleeve, belted voluminous dress. And it's a round neck, adjustable strap. Next one is double-breasted textured weave jacket. It's a kind of tweed style, Chanel or Balmain style, I would say. Apple green color. Next one is poncho. This looks like almost like top, frayed trim. When you try with like jean, black pants, it's gonna be perfect. So, how was it? Hope you guys liked my styling. If you guys are interested in any fashion, lifestyle in LA, please subscribe and give it a thumb and turn the notification. Okay, see you. Bye.